the sum of an the sum of an unknown number and 8. That's the question. Guys, when you see the sum means plus, addition. In algebra, unknown, it's expressed by x. That's unknown number. That's how you write it. X plus 8. Just like this. This is your answer, guys. Thank you.